Well, hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. Well, I dived into the world of the Reflex version 3 and went ahead and figured it out. Installed the Reflex version 3 in here, and I did have this an AR620 in here before, but now I've got a Lemon RX Gen 2 7-channel non-stabilized receiver paired with a Reflex version 3, and I've got them actually up on the deck now to show you where I've got them. Instead of underneath the deck, I've got them on the deck. You got them? All right. Sitting in front of Norman, the pilot. All right. Which was that Abby at the RCCO named him Norman. So this is actually the maiden with using the Reflex. I'm going to take off initially in manual mode, which is no gyro at all. Make sure she's trimmed right. And then I'll fly, then I'll do a landing and take off in their beginner mode or stability mode. And then I'll end up in optimized mode, which is the same thing as AS3X, which is what I fly in most of the time anyways. All right, let's go.
Motors on.
All right, this is manual mode right off the bat.
Takeoff flaps.
All right, here we go.
Flaps up. Time remaining 5 minutes.
All right, she flies just fine manual. I don't think there's any need for trimming. Landing left to right.
Braking. Cruise mode. Flaps
All
up.
right. So now I've got her trimmed out. Let me go with takeoff with beginner mode now.
Stability mode.
All right, this is stability mode or beginner mode. Taking off.
Takeoff flaps. Braking. Cruise mode.
We'll have to wait a second, someone's landing.
Flaps up.
I'm gonna let you land first. Gorgeous. All right, this is going to be a taking off in the beginner mode or stability mode.
Takeoff flaps.
All right, here we go.
Flaps up.
All right, that's beginner mode, and I'm having to use a little bit of up elevator. Oh! I thought I was on this side. Hey, you know what? They moved the power lines again.
You hit the power line?
I sure did. right, Cessna 182, slightly used.
Is it for sale?
$50. Slightly used. Sold as is.
That's when you know you're done flying, when it jumps back into kit form.
Well, that's what you call a humbling moment. I swear, I could have swore $100 I was on this side of the power lines.
Humbling moment.
Yeah. Well, you know what? It's part of it.
What's the key word for that maneuver?
Yeah. Oh, colorful metaphor.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, that's all busted. The wing, I need a new wing. To make it look show quality, I'd probably need to replace the fuse, wing, everything. And yeah, a little hot glue, you know. Yeah, why not?
They say if you run hot water over it, that foam will jump right back into shape.
That's
going to take a lot of hot water.
Yeah. But the battery hatch is fine. The battery hatch is perfect, so I can sell that. Well, it was.
You keep doing that.
The good news is the transmitter's okay.
Transmitter's fine, thank you.
Your ego may be a little hurt, but
Nah.
yeah, mine was.
No, when those things claim my T28, the big Carbon Z, my first one, not that, you got the pieces of it.
Yeah,
I
This-
remember watching
yeah.
the video, you said an expletive at the first part there.
Well,
You're
yeah.
gonna put that on the website there so we can see the actor.
Oh yeah. I said, make sure you got me walking back because I can play the real sad music as I do the walk of shame. Well, folks, it happens. Part of the hobby. If you ain't willing to accept it, then don't come out here because if you ain't crashing, you ain't flying. All right, y'all have a good one.